Hey there, I have a free tutorial for you and it's all about botanicals. How to paint a leaf of a lemon branch and make it realistic. We're going to start out with yellow as a base wash because this is going to help the green stay vibrant and rich and keep it from looking dull and flat. The leaf will paint one side and then the other side. There's a midrib vein that runs right smack down through the middle, and this is going to allow us to not have to try to paint the whole leaf at one time, but rather to be able to paint one side and then the other. I'm going to be teaching you how to mix the perfect greens and different values and different colors in order for this leaf to look realistic and be easy for you to paint. When I first started painting in watercolor, botanical type paintings were something I really wanted to do, but I was kind of afraid to give it a try because I had no idea how to approach it. So this particular tutorial is just the leaf, and it's an easily approachable tutorial to learn. I'm going to take you through step by step and show you exactly what to do in each portion of this tutorial so that you can learn easily how to paint a leaf. And then you can use not only the techniques that you're going to learn in this tutorial with other botanicals, flowers, leaves, and what have you, but a lot of the techniques that you're going to learn are also going to equip you to paint other types of subject matter as well. It doesn't have to be just botanicals. But as you can see, we have the yellow underwash, which is keeping this leaf looking very vibrant and rich. And the color, even though the greens are very velvety and we have some really dark shades, that yellow underwash that we started out with is helping us to keep it very bright, very rich, very luminous and glowing. So what you see happening here is I've applied, this is probably the third wash now that's going on top of this leaf. And I like to teach you how to build up your colors and values layer upon layer. So my approach to painting is a little bit slower than some, but I find that it is an easier method for learning to paint in a realistic style. Now I'm taking one of my lifting brushes, which is from Rosemary & Co. And I was lifting out some color to show that there are veins in this leaf. Now, when you're painting something like this, you don't have to go crazy trying to create every single little minute detail that is in the actual reference photo. Here's the reason why we don't do that. The size of this painting is small. So, you would drive yourself crazy trying to paint every little detail in this leaf. Now, if you were painting it in, say, a 20 by 20 or something really large, then yes, you would have the ability and probably want to include more fine little details. But because of the size that we're doing this painting in, there's really no need to do all of that. Now here we're putting in the stem, and the stem is a slightly different color than the leaf. I'm going to show you how to create that color, how to show one side of the stem is lighter where light is actually shining on it, and then the opposite side is darker, giving it that rounded shape. So here you see we're pretty much finished with this leaf, and it has a realistic look. It's an easy step-by-step and easy to follow tutorial, so jump on over to my website and sign up for your free tutorial today.